High-stakes Supreme Court case is underway right now, challenging Tennessee's ban on gender-affirming care for minors. The decision could impact similar bans in more than 24 states and also shape the future of transgender health care across the nation. NewsNation's Tom Dempsey outside of the high court as folks gather on both sides of this historic case. Tom, what is the central question at hand here?
Hey, good morning, Marni. Look, oral arguments literally taking place at this minute inside the Supreme Court building here in Washington, D.C. To answer your question, though, at the very core of this case being heard at this hour is what's known as Senate Bill number 1. It's a state ban that was passed in Tennessee banning transgender teenagers and children from receiving gene therapy or gender therapy and care, if you will. Things like puberty blockers and hormone treatment. Doctors cannot prescribe that sort of treatment in a state like Tennessee. So literally at this hour, this case is being heard. You can hear the crowds and the chanting that are taking place. On this side here, it's almost an even split. When it comes to the area outside the Supreme Court building. We have a very large crowd out here. On this side, you'll find a lot of supporters of transgender Americans who are calling this state ban in Tennessee, saying that it's an example of sex discrimination. But on the other hand, we have people on this side gathered here who support this ban, and people like the Tennessee Attorney General arguing that a state should play a role in the safety of children, and things like gender-affirming care, like puberty blockers and hormone treatment, can be very risky for a transgender child or a teenager and can be life-altering. But like I said, oral arguments taking place right now. Here's one snippet of what we've heard so far.
It doesn't matter what parents decide is best for their children. It doesn't matter what patients would choose for themselves. And it doesn't matter if doctors believe this treatment is essential for individual patients. SB 1 categorically bans treatment when and only when it's inconsistent with the patient's birth sex.
And Marni, to put the impact of this case in perspective, we want to show you this map. This case could have a much more far-reaching impact outside of Tennessee. There's around 24 states all across the country that have gender-affirming care bans in place. So we could potentially see, a far-reaching impact from this decision by the Supreme Court. And to put it further in perspective, the potential impact of all this, there's around 120,000 transgender teenagers and children who live in these states that are on that map. So again, we're live outside the Supreme Court building right here. If our photographer Cameron can walk with me, we've seen all sorts of signs and flags here outside, both for and against this state ban. We've heard from people who have traveled from states like North Carolina and Washington State to be a part of the history-making case that's being heard at this hour. And again, people on both sides of this debate who are out here right now, some of them out here for the last several hours, just to sort of take in this scene and let their beliefs heard loud and clear outside the Supreme Court building, Marni.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.